If you're in search of the most advanced and cutting-edge smartphone currently available, it's likely that the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and the Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max have already caught your attention. Both of these new models, the Galaxy S24 Ultra and the iPhone 15 Pro Max, boast large displays, the most recent chip technology, enhanced camera capabilities, and batteries that are designed to last longer. In terms of design and aesthetics, the Galaxy and iPhone each present their unique styles. The Galaxy sports a larger size, it's wider, heavier, and features distinct sharp corners. The iPhone 15 Pro Max, in contrast, maintains a more classic appearance with its rounded corners. Regarding button placement, the Galaxy consolidates its power and volume buttons on one side. The iPhone, however, positions its power button on the right and volume buttons on the left, facilitating simultaneous pressing for actions like taking screenshots. Additionally, the iPhone introduces an extra feature, the new Action button. This programmable button offers great functionality, but its placement at the far top left corner can make it somewhat inaccessible. Finally, the iPhone has embraced USB-C, aligning with what the Galaxy has offered for nearly a decade. While it's a late adoption, it's a welcome change, allowing for a single cable to be used across various devices. Additionally, the Galaxy continues to stand out with its S Pen, remaining unique as the only phone to incorporate this sophisticated stylus. While there haven't been any new enhancements to the S Pen's functionality this year, it retains its practicality and usefulness. Both the Galaxy S24 Ultra and the iPhone 15 Pro Max are IP68 rated, which is a standard among flagship smartphones, providing top-notch water and dust resistance. Regarding color options, here's what's available for both the Galaxy S24 Ultra and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Galaxy S24 Ultra: titanium gray, titanium black, titanium violet, and titanium yellow. Titanium green, titanium blue, and titanium orange. Exclusive on Samsung.com store. iPhone 15 Pro Max colors: titanium black, titanium gray, titanium blue, and titanium silver. It's important to be aware that when you purchase these phones, they do not come with a charger included in the box. This means you will need to buy the charger separately. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra has a bigger screen due to its wider size, featuring a 6.8-inch display, while the iPhone 15 Pro Max has a slightly smaller 6.7-inch screen. Additionally, the Galaxy's screen has a broader 19:9 aspect ratio compared to the iPhone's 19.5:9 ratio. This means the Galaxy's screen is not just larger diagonally, but its overall display area is also more extensive than what the diagonal size might indicate. The Galaxy S24 Ultra has introduced a new design feature: a flat screen with just a subtle curve at the edges of the glass. The iPhone also utilizes a flat screen design. This change is generally seen as an improvement. Both phones support a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, which means they can adjust the rate based on what's being displayed. They are capable of dropping down to a low 1 Hz when displaying static content, enhancing efficiency and battery life. In terms of screen brightness, the Galaxy S24 Ultra has an advantage over the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The S24 Ultra can reach a peak brightness of 2,600 nits, whereas the iPhone tops out at 2,000 nits. This higher brightness level is especially beneficial in bright outdoor conditions, though it may not be as critical in other settings. In the competition for performance, things are really heating up. Apple's latest A17 Pro chip, the first in the world to use a 3nm process, hasn't quite met the high expectations set for it. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is equipped with a new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, which is expected to offer a great combination of better performance and more efficient use of power. Regarding storage options, both the Galaxy and iPhone offer the same choices: 256 gigs, 512 gigs, or 1 TB. However, there's a difference in their RAM capacities. The Galaxy is equipped with 12 gigs of RAM, whereas the iPhone has 8 gigs. The significant distinction between these devices lies in their respective software systems. Samsung is emphasizing its new Galaxy Artificial Intelligence features, highlighting a significant advancement in artificial intelligence technology, while Apple appears to be trailing in this area. In terms of software, the Galaxy operates on Samsung's latest One UI 6.1 built upon Android 14, whereas the iPhone runs on iOS 17. A particularly notable aspect for the Galaxy is its promise of 7 years of OS upgrades and security patches, marking a first for Samsung.
You will be able to use Galaxy devices safely and reliably because we plan to support 7 years of security updates and 7 generations of OS upgrade.
This surpasses Apple, which, while not committing to a specific number of updates, An intriguing feature that Apple has introduced in its recent iPhones is satellite connectivity. However, there has been no indication of such a feature in the Samsung S24 series. Another important detail to note is that iPhone models sold in the United States are equipped exclusively with eSIM technology and do not include a physical SIM card slot. In contrast, the Galaxy offers more flexibility in this regard. It supports eSIM, but also retains the option for users to insert a physical SIM card. The Galaxy S24 Ultra keeps its 4-camera setup on the back, but has made major updates to one of those cameras. On the other hand, the iPhone 15 Pro Max has 3 cameras on the back, including a new 5x tetraprism zoom lens. It's not clear yet which one is better, but here's what we know so far. Although the Galaxy S24 Ultra has a high 200-megapixel main camera, it usually takes photos at 12-megapixel. Meanwhile, the iPhone 15 Pro Max now takes photos at 24-megapixel, which means it might capture more detailed images. Samsung has made significant improvements to how it processes images in the Galaxy S24. Now, the photos taken by the Galaxy S24 appear more realistic, with less intense sharpening and reduced oversaturation, a style that was typical in previous Samsung phones. This change is seen as a positive development. Additionally, both the Galaxy S24 and the iPhone 15 Pro Max feature ultra-wide cameras with a resolution of 12 megapixel. The Galaxy has an advantage in zoom capabilities. It is equipped with both 3x and 5x zoom lenses, whereas the iPhone only has a 5x zoom. The Galaxy's 5x zoom camera uses a higher resolution 50-megapixel sensor, allowing for high-quality, lossless zoom up to 10x. In the realm of video quality, where the iPhone has traditionally been the leader, the Galaxy has made significant improvements. Its mic video quality has enhanced with less noise, and it now allows the use of the 5x zoom camera even in low-light conditions. Samsung offers 8K video recording, a feature not available on the iPhone. However, the practicality of 8K video is questionable due to the large file sizes and limited support on most monitors and TVs. The Galaxy, with its 5,000 mAh battery, theoretically holds an advantage over the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which has a 4,422 mAh battery. This represents a 13% larger battery capacity for the Samsung phone. However, battery life and actual usage doesn't always align with theoretical capacities. Apple's iOS is known for its efficiency in battery usage, allowing the iPhone 15 Pro Max to last almost 2 days between charges under normal usage conditions. The expected power efficiencies of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip in the Galaxy might contribute positively to its battery life. Regarding charging speeds, the Galaxy outperforms the iPhone, offering faster charging at 45 watt compared to the iPhone's approximately 25 watt. This results in different charging times. The iPhone takes about 1 hour and 40 minutes to fully charge, while the Galaxy can reach full charge in just around 1 hour. In summary, the Galaxy has some nice new features, especially with artificial intelligence, and it has made small improvements in many areas. The most noticeable might be a better camera. It's also a bigger phone, comes with the S Pen for those who like it, and offers the flexibility of Android. The iPhone, meanwhile, has its own strengths with iOS and the Apple ecosystem. It probably has a bit longer battery life and holds up well with its 5x zoom camera. It also has some professional photo and video features that some people might like. In terms of price, the Galaxy is a bit more expensive. The base model is $1,300 compared to $1,200 for the iPhone. But Samsung phones often go on sale, which doesn't happen much with iPhones. So in 2024, which side are you on, Apple or Galaxy, and why? What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.